how to fold down the rear seats of your Impreza or Crosstrek from 2011 to 2023. So first of all, make sure you have enough space over here, so push the front seats forward if not. And on each corner you're going to notice this small latch. Once you pull it and you see the color red, you'll be able to fold down the backrest completely flat. Okay, so if you're not able, push the front seats a bit just to make enough space so it's able to fold. If not, you can also remove the headrest. To put it back, make sure the seat belt is not in the way and make sure that that latch goes down and you don't see the color red and everything is securely in place. This is important because in case of an accident, you don't want the backrest to fall down. Same thing on the other side, you have a small latch on that corner and yeah, you'll have obviously a lot more space by doing so. So thanks for watching, leave a like, but also comment down below. This is helping my channel tremendously when somebody comments, and I'll see you.